Okay, it's 8 o'clock next day, everything is packed, I am almost ready to go. The weather is really promising. Got just my stuff to put on, wetsuit. The weather is quite nice and the wind is like okay, sideways. Yeah, so I'm setting off. Goodbye, my lovely shelter. So far it's quite nice. I go by the wind, so I'm just surfing the waves and doing my route between the islands. It's already 2 or 3 kilometers done. Weather is nice, everything is nice. So looks like the first half of the day will be fine. And the second half of the day, if I go by the route, I have to go north, go south again, south against the wind. I want to get to the bigger island called Oro, but let's enjoy this part of the day. Just arrived to Vano, the bigger island. It's the middle of my route today. I plan to stay here for a couple of hours. There is a shop, probably I can resupply. I am low on my food and water and all my gadgets are empty. So maybe I can charge my power bank. We'll see. Okay. So that was the perfect timing. I just arrived to the small shop, even with a cafe, take a cup of coffee, and a heavy rain comes. So it rained like 30 minutes, like really heavy rain. And I was inside the cozy cabin, cozy cafe. So I have left my power bank to charge and we'll check the nature trail on this island. This is quite small. In the summer there are a lot of people, but in the winter it's just like 8 to 10 people only living here. Yeah, cozy place. What is this? Oh, this is the real Viking house. Hopefully it's the last rain. I really hope. Okay, I'm going ahead. It's like 10-15 kilometers for today left. I have eaten 2 pies and 2 coffees, so full of energy. The weather is really nice, so everything looks promising. Hopefully today we'll stay outside in a tent or something, right? Okay, I got it to the Oro island. This is my target today. Actually, I have to go around because my campground is on the other side, but I will quickly stop in this harbor to see what's there. Okay, so I got to Oro, and here is this official tent site. I decided to put my little tarp here on the big rock just next to the beach. We'll do this, and there is my kayak. Sun is out finally. Okay, got my stuff next to the kayak, left it, so I want to explore this island. There should be like a lot of things left from World War II. Some kind of bunkers, some kind of batteries. We'll see. Okay, this is not from World War II. This is actual military point. Oh! Big gun. So during the Russian times of Finland, this island was fortified, and this is one of the largest artillery guns here, 12 inches, and this is it. It's still a military site, but built during the Russian times. And this is it. It's a huge one. Huge one. Obuchowski guns. Each shell weighs almost 500 kilograms. Unbelievable. 45 kilometers range. Cheers. Well, this day had it all. Completely enjoyed it. And I like this island too. We'll watch the sunset and go to sleep. Tomorrow I got a last day. I have to go north to my car. It's the next day morning. I just set off and this is my last day. I go north, I go downwind and it's sunny. Kasnas, the bigger village on the mainland. And my car, just a couple of kilometers. So I guess this is it. I guess this is the nice place to end this story. Place one of a kind. Definitely 10 of 10. See you in the next one.